Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Speaker Longki Timung Pen kalong ni skola hem akimi kikim jiaphan nujok kisompon. Patumi thang ni phai kep surhini ra engkoi rahini Borjan constituency angkangpi HDP hawar along kido Longbui Timung Gov LP School pen HDP Gov LP School kimi kikim kerang jiaphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Speaker Longki Timung arideng pen long ekesom padupon. Hapu HDP High School ahem kikim kerang bom ahem ta kelang jari padudam. Labang sohut SMC GB SGB atumta cetongdun. Lapen social worker Rajesh Kiling Indrojit Kathar Don Singh Timung Joyras Rongpi lapen prek jam kethe kiding atumta cetongdun. Dilai pen sar kiriteron inglong kiria birta.